ब्रेस्तारा डॉक्टर जॅक सिक्वेराची 102 वर्साची जन्मशताब्दी जाली, मात अजून विधानसभेच्या आवारात डॉक्टर सिक्वेराचो पुतळो बांदिल्लो ना. हांगासर पुतळो बांदचो म्हण मागणी कुडतरचे आमदार एलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड हांणी केल्या. अर्डेक्सो खातीर कुडतरच्यान मयूर नायक.
Today is the 102nd birth anniversary of our father of opinion poll, and the best part is Dr. Jack Sigera, and we don't have a statue in the assembly complex. We have a statue of even those who opposed, or rather those who wanted merger of Goa into Maharashtra. But the person who spearheaded the movement, we don't have a statue. We reiterate the demand of having a statue in the assembly precincts. We will fight for it this time. This time we are not going to keep quiet for the government.